I got these laundry bags in from Polacasa, and this actually is not what you think it is. A lot of people think that this is actually for throwing your dirty laundry in when you're going on a trip, and that is not what it's for, although you can use it for it and it would be great. But these bags are actually meant for washing delicate clothes so that you don't get rips or snags in them. You put them in this bag, and then the agitator on the washing machine will not be able to catch the loose and delicate parts on clothes and snag them. You can see that this is made with a very fine mesh material to keep your clothes very, very nice. So these small bags are going to be great for underwear, socks, and baby clothes. Moving on to this next one, the medium-sized bag is going to be suitable for toys, again, baby clothes, or like scarves or anything that you definitely do not want to snag. So another cool feature that I want to mention is that it has a stretchy material right here up on the top, and what that is for is so that you could take this zipper, you can actually push the zipper inside here, so when you're washing it in the washing machine, this zipper is not going to smack and bang, and you're not going to hear this in your washing machine, because if anybody knows when a zipper is stuck in the washing machine, you're going to hear that for about an hour. So that is what that's for, to keep that safe. And this elastic is also good for locking this in place so this bag doesn't open within the wash. This zipper doesn't get stuck on other clothes, causing more snags. So my wife likes throwing her bras in here because they do keep them really nice, because it is a delicate piece of laundry. And this last one's the biggest one of them all. This one is going to be good for jackets, bed covers, bed sheets, and you guessed it, bath towels. This thing's gonna be pretty big, and if you do want to use this stuff on a trip, this is probably the one I'd recommend bringing. The largest one, throw all your dirty clothes in here, and then when you come back from the trip, just take the bag, throw it in the laundry, and it'll clean. And another good purpose for these would be actually going on a trip, and if you're packing in a backpack, you can organize your clothes in different pouches. So these are actually multi-purpose bags, but the real function is to keep delicate clothes from getting snags and rips in the washing machine. So that is my honest review of these. These things are awesome and they work absolutely great. Go and check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.